What's up, YouTubers and awesome fans? Today we are playing toy trains. As you can see, I've been playing this before. So let's put on our uniform. Don't look at me, I was naked for a second. So yeah, I'm just this cool guy here. So now, delete that stupid old starter train because no one wants it. And basically, what we're going to do, we're going to grab this, my train, and now we're going to drive it, okay? So, also, because I usually forget to mention that when I have Pokemon Superfan, say hello to Pokemon Superfan because he is with me again. Hello, say hello. Say hello. Can
I was trying to hold it, but I couldn't. Okay, hi guys. Yeah, we're playing games.
We're playing toy trains.
Oh, yeah. Don't watch this video if you hate me. So that's common around here.
Why would they hate you?
Cringe crew.
Yeah, we are quite cringe, aren't we?
No, that's what we should call ourselves, the cringe crew.
Oh yeah, so from now on, me and Pokemon Superfan are the cringe crew. Remember to watch and like and subscribe.
The cringe crew.
Remember to watch and remember to like and subscribe to the cringe crew. Also, here's a tip for little YouTubers that have just watched this out of interest, then do not know how to make videos longer than 15 seconds. So basically...
15 seconds? 15 minutes, you mean?
No, I mean 15 seconds, because I didn't know how to do that when I started being a YouTuber. And basically...
Well, yeah, I'll say the 15-minute one because I'm special.
So all you need to do, basically, people, yeah, it's simple. You just got to do this. You just got to go on your camera app, whatever it's called. Then you can upload it onto YouTube by pressing upload on your channel's homepage. I explain it way better than my friend did. Not you, Pokemon Superfan, another one. Another one I have.
The utter disrespect.
But I'm not talking... Oh my... This might take a while, people.
Dare you say that about me?
It's not about you. It's about one of my other friends. Who told me...
Kai.
I know you're still there.
But your mum isn't.
Why do you always say that?
Roasts are important nowadays.
Yeah, but why are they always about your mum?
Because those are the best kind of roasts.
Stop the train, stop the train, stop the train. Jump.
And the mum.
No.
Mum on the loose.
What?
It's called your mum.
Why? My God. I want what? Oh yeah. So now, remove the train again. Ugh. Respawn. God, it's in the same place. Jeez. Right. Press reverse. That ought to do it. Unable to flip in current position. What? So, what about here? What about why? Why? Jeez, God.
Because it doesn't like you or your mum.
It doesn't like you or your mum either. What?
Right, but catch it, buckaroo.
So I'm just going to have to actually drive my train backwards, my friends. That's not funny. Egg!
I'm just watching my steampunk train drive off a huge ramp. It's about to go on. Oh, it's going up. It's going around. And 3, 2, 1, go! And it fell. Oh my gosh, it's hanging. Because some of the train cuts won't fall off. a majestic sight.
Right, so later in the video, we are going to go over to this
Come over right now. You need to see this.
God, I might as well.
Because it is literally, if you don't get here in time, it's going to fall off.
I'm here.
Okay, follow me, okay? I'll go to the front. Okay, make sure you're running. Okay, follow me.
How am I quicker than you?
I know.
Run. Run.
Yeah, but look over here.
I'm in your subway station. I'm in your subway station.
Go up from there.
Through the tunnel.
And then look.
Oh my God. Guys, look. That's just... In fact, can you see that? I'm going to speed the video up so you can definitely see it. Yeah, look at that thing.
That is awesome. That is awesome, man.
I know I am.
And guess what? You may think you should keep that there.
I'm gone now.
Okay, I'm going to continue building up here. We're going to put a boosted XX large straight, and then I'm going to watch someone I'm just going to watch the train plummet to its death.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
friendly.
And also, guys, remember, if you've watched part 1 and 2 of Dragon Lore on Roblox, please remember part 2 is coming out just later today, we think. We don't know, but we think.
No, part 2 is already out.
I mean part 3, sorry. Part 3 should be the final, by the way.
No, it's not.
Oh, God, this is...
It's going to be a whole series now until we beat everything.
Yeah, the whole game. That might take a few episodes, don't you think?
Yeah, so? That's what good YouTubers do.
I'm too lazy, though. I'm a lazy YouTuber.
Well, then you're a trash YouTuber.
Bruh.
If you're lazy.
I know you are. Ha 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 ha.
Man, this kid's roasts are terrible.
I know they are.
You just said that your own roasts are terrible.
I know. And that's why my roasts are terrible. I try and roast you, and then I agree that my roasts are absolutely trash.
Oh, and the steampunk train is derailed.
Oh, God, no.
Now having a nap.
What happened to this stupid thingy, Mark? Thingy-majiggies. What? Oh, yeah, it finally worked now.
Okay, alright. What am I going to do? So I think that I could try and make nothing.
Yeah, you could try and make nothing.
I could make a large turn going right, and then a small turn going left, and then a small turn left again, and then a split left, and then a split left,
Again.
split left, and then a split left.
To be honest, I don't even know why I've got a freight station there. We need to get rid of
Then
that.
a split right, and then a split left,
Can you stop that now?
and a final split left. You're gonna want to come and see this. It looks ridiculous.
No.
No, actually, come and see it.
No.
Why not? Do you not want to see this awesome thing?
No.
Oh, so you're not an awesome man.
Yeah, and I could say the same about you, to be honest, but
Yeah, this kid's roasts are trash.
that one wasn't too bad.
No, that was trash.
Okay, leave in the comments. No, actually they won't be turned on, which is annoying. So basically leave in the comments of one of my videos that are turned when the comments are turned on if you want to to say whose railway better or roasts better.
Or it's thinner. What's your first station called? Because I'm at one called Westwood Station.
Yeah, I named that one myself. It was something else, and which I can't remember until I renamed it to that.
Okay, where is this kid?
Somewhere. Run or walk.
I need you to see this. It's actually really cool.
But I don't want to see it, my boy. You're just like, please, and I'm like, no. And you're like, please, and I'm like, no. No.
Yeah.
Why is there a station? There's a station there called Seven Sisters. That's odd.
I might dislike this video.
Fine, I'll come and see it in a sec.
7 sisters. Glad I don't have that many sisters. Wait, can I delete your track? Ronnie. Oh, God.
Did you actually do it?
I tried to.
Put it back.
I tried to. It didn't work.
Exactly. So put the bit you didn't steal back. Exactly. I'm being stupid.
Now, or you will perish in your sleep.
Let me just add this stop in. You teleport back there now.
Back to where? Your mama's house.
Oh my god.
By the way, if he ever says your mama's house or any of your mum roasts, then they're from me. So yeah.
Get to your tycoon already, noob.
Oh, you there? Oh yeah, you are. Okay, teleport. Okay, come with me.
No, just turn the running feature on. I see you.
Come to this new bridge. And then look.
We stuck, dudes. We stuck. Oh, wait, no.
Look.
Okay.
I actually did it.
Okay, let me try and let me just zoom out so everyone can see, and then I'm gonna have to end up the video. Oh my!
Videos.
I can't
Why?
because a certain person doesn't want me to because they can't be bothered to put their phone number in.
You said that you would do it.
Yes, but I was just told that by a certain person that they didn't want me to make longer videos, which is annoying because I have to listen to them.
Okay. Well, yeah. Leaving it off here. I'm not saving this because it's trash. Okay, bye, kids. Bye.
Like and subscribe to the Cringe Crew. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, he just got rid of it all. In fact, right, bye.